Welcome to Idle Tales. Today I'm unboxing the Gopro HERO9 Black, comparing it to the HERO10, and explaining why I chose this one. HERO9 Black essentially contains the former features of the HERO8 Black. However, improves on certain functions, most notably the HyperSmooth feature, and adds a front-facing 1.4-inch color selfie screen. In the box is a charging cable, mounting accessories, 1720 ion battery, the camera, stickers, and the storage case. Notable features include webcam mode, touch screen, 1080p live streaming, 8-time slow-mo, voice control. It is water resistant up to 33 feet, loop recording, and burst photo at 30 frames per second. Specs between the HERO9 and HERO10 in comparison: stabilization, the HyperSmooth 3.0 compared to the 4.0. Still resolution, 20 megapixels compared to 23 megapixels. Video modes: 5K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 1080p at 240, compared to 5K at 60, 4K at 120, and 1080p at 240. And this is the main reason I got the HERO9. My current video editing software doesn't create 5K videos. While I plan on upgrading eventually, uploading 5K isn't common yet by creator platforms like YouTube, and most viewers do not have 5K viewing capabilities. Some didn't know it existed yet. So the small differences between the two didn't justify the cost of an upgrade. HERO10 has the new GP2 processor, although both cameras upload to the cloud while charging. I have big plans for this camera. It should be a really fun year of creating videos. Please subscribe and join me in this journey. Thanks for watching Idle Tales. I'll see you next time.